Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to reset settings on your Mac Mini. You have to start by click at the Apple logo, now go to Settings, then go to General and scroll down. Click on Transfer or Reset and then erase all content and settings. Now enter your password and click Enter. Continue, erase. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!